Imagine a force so mysterious it pushes space itself apart faster than gravity can pull things together. Today, we are exploring dark energy, the invisible driver accelerating our universe's expansion. For decades, scientists struggled to explain why the universe isn't just slowing down. Instead, something strange was pushing it apart, combating gravity's natural inward pull. To understand this, physicists created the Dark Energy Spectroscopic Instrument. This massive telescope in Arizona maps galaxies over 11 billion years to see how they cluster across time. As a dark energy explorer helping map these ancient structures, you reveal how this unknown force has influenced our cosmos throughout its entire history. This energy pushes space apart, making everything bigger and bigger. The discovery that this mysterious influence accelerates expansion fundamentally changed our understanding of reality. Their crucial work proving this acceleration earned them the Nobel Prize in 2011, validating that physics is often about figuring out what causes things to happen. Physicists whimsically named this root cause dark energy, an unknown force that drives galaxies apart and dictates the ultimate fate of our expanding universe. So there you have it. Dark energy is the engine stretching the cosmos. What aspect of the accelerating universe surprised you most? Let me know in the comments.